Hey guys, and welcome to another item shop update. To get started, as always, we got the Street Serpent pack, and the Dark Reflections pack is still right here. However, now we have a brand new skin, and it's Kyra, which is a pretty awesome skin. Let's not forget about these pretty cool harvesting tools and the perfect glider to go along with the skin. And finally, we have this outfit that just came back with its awesome backbling, and the male version with its unique backbling. Let's not forget about the glider to go along with these outfits and the harvesting tool. Next up, we have Dream with its own awesome backbling, the male version with its own unique backbling, the perfect harvesting tool to go along with its outfits, a wrap that I'm not a fan of, but it is pretty unique, and a really cool glider. And yes, finally introducing season 5, this outfit is back. Let's not forget about its harvesting tool and the male version with a huge backbling with its own pretty cool harvesting tool. Moving on to this wicked skin and this awesome one which resembles a gladiator. And finally, all our emotes, which does include party hips and this one. Let's not forget about this pretty unique wrap. And under special offers, we still got this Star Wars series glider. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop update. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.